Hello, welcome back to my channel. So it's been almost a year since I bought the Canon M50 and hopefully, as you can see from my videos and the channel, it's been a real workhorse from a video camera point of view. Definitely fantastic value for money, but it's easy to forget that the Canon M50 is actually a great stills camera as well. So today it's springtime in England. We've had some really great spring flowers and spring blossom this year, in particular the Magnolia, which I've got behind me here. Apparently it's been the perfect moisture conditions for magnolias this year, so we've been really blown away by some of the trees in our local area. So I thought, what a great opportunity to get the Canon M50 out as purely a stills camera and see what it can do, particularly using the adapter and the different lenses, which I've done a whole separate video about as well. But that's why this camera is such great value, because you can do that. It's really versatile from that point of view. So I'll show you what I've done. Hopefully it'll inspire you to try the same if you've got this camera as well, or if you're considering buying it. And please let me know what you think as well. So I'm going to take some sample photos of the Magnolia behind me, showing you what different types of effects you can get using different lenses with the Canon M50. So this one is the Sigma Macro 105 lens, which I've borrowed from my other half because they are about £400, but it's really good for close-up photos, detailed images. So this one is a telephoto Canon L series lens, as you can see, and it's a 100-400 and it's available from about £700. So this is useful for taking shots from further away, but also for blurring out backgrounds with closer up shots. Okay, so I'm also going to be using the lens that I'm shooting on now, which is the 50mm lens, and also this, which is the original kit lens, so you don't need to use the adapter to this with this, and this is the 18-45. Hopefully that footage shows you what a versatile camera the Canon M50 is. Once you get that adapter mount on it, it opens up a whole world of possibilities in terms of the types of photography that you can take. So it's a great little beginner's intermediate camera because it gets you going on all sorts of levels and gives you lots of opportunities. So 1 year on, I am absolutely delighted with this camera. It's still serving me well as a video camera, but I still feel like I've really got a whole world to explore in terms of photography. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed those pictures and that you found it useful, and as always, please do give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe and come back soon. Bye bye for now.